Right your wrongs that you have done. You've made mistakes, accept the change, you will be punished too, cause you're walking through these halls, hear them as they crawl. This will be the next chapter of stories to be told, and they're listening right above, there is no end. So open up your eyes, you need to know this is your fate.